Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm so excited because I resubscribed to Boxycharm. And today I'm doing my choice video, which is also wow, so quick. Everything happened so fast. I wanted it to be a surprise, so hopefully you're surprised. With that being said, let's go ahead and get into the choice products. So my power picks for my March Boxycharm box. I can't believe we're back to doing this. The first product is the Glow Recipe Strawberry BHA Pore Smooth and Blur Drops. I said in my spoiler video that I wasn't sure that this is a product for me, so I guess we'll see if it works for me or not or what. I like BHA products, so I have a feeling I'm gonna like it anyway. But Glow Recipe doesn't miss for me, so I'm excited to try this out. And the next power pick or product that was chosen for me is the Wander Beauty Trailblazer Eyeshadow Palette. And I'm excited for this because if you guys didn't watch my spoiler video, I spoke about how this palette alone made me want the box. And I wasn't joking, like it's such a pretty neutral palette and I love the Wander Beauty eyeshadow formula. I think they have really improved on it and I really like it. So I also liked that it was made with like all the women that work at Wander Beauty. Like I think that's so cute. Moving on to my choice options. In the first product choice category, we have the Dew of the Gods Amalfi Gold Hair Serum. Hair products right now aren't really what I'm looking for. I'm actually losing my hair. I know that's never the thing we want to hear, but I did lose about 50 pounds. I have a lot of hair, so right now I'm kind of freaking out about it. I just started taking these Ollie Ultra Strength hair pills. I was recommended to take Nutrafol, but Nutrafol is $80. It's just a lot. So hair stuff right now, it's just not my priority right now. My priority is keeping the hair that I currently have on my head, which I'm fine. Like, don't worry. I'm just being dramatic. I swear I'm fine. Like, if you look, I'm fine. Like, it's not really that noticeable. I just notice it, so I'm the one freaking out about it. This product also caught my attention. This is the Miss Fame Cream and Powder Blush Duo. It looks so cute, and I want it. I chose this. I'm just spoiling you. I chose this product because I just want it. It's a cream and powder blush duo, but the color looks so cool. The packaging reminds me of like Pat McGrath kind of. It's giving that vibe without, you know, Pat McGrath being involved. I don't like Pat McGrath. I wish they were cruelty free. That's like why I don't like Pat McGrath. I didn't check if this was cruelty free. I chose this because I love blush and I love trying new blushes and the color just looked so good. So I wanted to try that. The next product I have is the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Wild Oat Hydrating Toner. I didn't choose this because I have currently a few toners open that I need to use. So I didn't want to get another one and stress myself out about using another toner. And I'm glad with my decision. Did I need another blush? No. But did I need another toner? I don't have the space for another toner, but I have the space for another blush. The next product that I was able to choose from is the Il Makiage Lip Service Lip Gloss in the shade PDA. This looks like a beautiful shade. I have so much lip gloss. I'm not even a lip gloss girly. I don't love lip gloss. I'm more of a lip oil kind of girl. I like those a lot more. I just don't like sticky, thick lip gloss. That's my pet peeve. But I'm currently wearing lip oil, so don't be like you're wearing gloss. It's a lip oil. The next product is the Ciate London Brazilian Glow Face Palette in light medium. Ciate in general doesn't make any products that really wow me. So seeing this there, I was like, you know, like, I didn't want it, so I didn't choose it. I don't really love Ciate either. I wish they weren't in the subscription boxes, but they are. And the last choice product in the first category is the Kira Moon Flower Melon Hydrating Serum. This didn't look like something I would want. I don't know, something about it is just, it's off-putting. Like the packaging, something there, I just don't like. You know, to me, just the blush seemed like the better option. I was like, what do I need more? And so my choice product was the Miss Fame Cream and Powder Blush Duo, and I'm excited to receive that and try it out for you. Let's move on to my second product choice category. We have the Jasmine Beauty Beachside Bronzer in Light, which doesn't look very light to me. This looks super dark. I don't know, it looks orange too. I did not choose this, obviously. And then we have the Riddle Oil Voyeur Roll-On, and I think this is a perfume oil, and I think it smells like vanilla, sandalwood, and amber, if I'm not mistaken. And it's also a clean beauty brand. And then we got the Galactic Fruit Superfood Scrub, and I don't like physical scrubs, so that was immediately canceled. And then we have the Ace Beauty Maximum Impact Liquid Eyeshadow in Stella Dust. This looked super interesting to me, and at first I thought it was a multi-chrome. It is not. It is just a rose gold shimmery liquid eyeshadow, and that's where I kind of like, liquid eyeshadow me, we don't get along. I have hooded eyes. Liquid eyeshadow just doesn't agree with me. And then I have the Misho Beauty Lipstick in Jama, which was honestly like second runner up for me because the color of this lipstick just looks so good, and I was like, with the blush that I chose earlier, this lipstick would look so good. But I'm sure I can find a lipstick that's similar in my collection, so I was like, let me choose something else that I would probably enjoy a little more. And then I got the Kate Somerville Eradicate Acne Treatment, which I was considering because I get like these nasty pimples sometimes that it would be nice to have something to put on it to like tone it down. But I don't break out enough for that, and I feel like this product would expire before I get to use it all, so I did not choose this. I ended up choosing the Riddle Oil Voyeur Roll-On. I think it was one of the higher priced items in the choice category as well, so I got a pretty good value with that, and I'm excited to smell it. I'm excited to review it for you. I'm excited. I've been dabbling into more perfumes, so I'm excited to talk about this when I receive it. And finally, moving on to the third product category, we have the TYS Beauty. Why are we copying LYS? I didn't choose this because of that. This is the Lip Butter and Honey. I didn't choose it because TYS? No, you clearly copied LYS. Clearly, like blatantly, I think. The next product is the Basic Beauty Sponge Set of 2. This is 2 sponges, and I wanted to choose this, but I was like, they're just sponges. Alex, you can buy a pack of sponges. Choose something else. And then I got the Shine Be Miami Flamingo Liquid Highlighter in Nude Pink. It looks dark. I didn't choose this because it looks a little dark. I'm running a little paler these days. I don't think this would have worked out for me, so I didn't choose that. And then we have the Defiance Beauty Infinity Liquid Eyeliner in Ignima. I have so many eyeliners and I don't use them because I don't do eyeliner very often, so they just stay in my collection and I just don't use them. I use them to like line my lashes to make them like look more realistic. Oh my god, my lashes. Speaking about my lashes, they're gone. They're like sticking out. Why? How long was my lash falling out? The next product is the Avant Skincare Hydra Bright Collagen Eye Restoring Pads. This was expensive. I think this retailed for like $75 and it has 3 eye patches. What the hell did you put in there? Gold? Like, what the hell? And then the last item is the Mud Masky Sleep Repair Renewal Nourishing Mask. This also had a pretty high value. I think it was like $55. So I chose the Avant Skincare because I was like, bitch, it's like, I want to see why. I want to see what the hype is, because like, this is, bitch, ain't no one paying $75 for those. That's why they're in here. The sleep mask was also interesting, but like, I have so much skincare, so I was like, skincare, I'm like, I don't really want skincare. I want more makeup, and like, they're just drowning me in skincare. And that's what I don't love about Boxycharm. I'm gonna be drowning in skincare in the next couple of months. But yeah, I chose the Avant Skincare. I'm excited to see how I feel about them because I don't really think I'm gonna like them, but whatever. Apparently my box is worth $278. I did purchase 2 add-ons. I purchased the Danessa Myricks Beauty Dew Wet Balm in Rose Water. I figured it would be nice to have for like every day when I want like a little glow. And I also purchased the Tatcha The Dewy Skin Cream, the mini, because I wanted to try it because I've never tried it. And I believe that the Danessa Myricks was $12 and the Tatcha was $6. So that's what I paid for that. That is my Boxycharm box. What do you think? I'm impressed. I am excited to receive these items, honestly. Honestly. Can't believe I'm saying that. It's been a while, but I'm excited to play with that eyeshadow palette and the blush. I'm excited to smell the perfume. I'm excited to try the glow recipe. Like, I haven't felt this way in a while, so I'm happy and I can't wait to see what Boxycharm has in store for me. I'm about to call it ipsy because I'm still not used to it. But yeah, let me know what you guys got in your Boxycharms. What did you choose? Let me know. I would love to hear from you. Are you happy that I'm again a Boxycharm member? Let me know. Let's have a conversation in the comments. I would love to hear from you. And thank you guys so much for watching this video and for hanging out with me. If you enjoyed it, if you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more Boxycharm content from me. And I will see you in my next one. Bye. I know you've seen enough of this fucking makeup look, but I left work early today, so I gotta crunch, crunch, crunch. And I have to eat dinner, so I have to crunch, crunch, crunch some more. Let's go with my, I can't speak. This looks dark. I don't know. The Riddle Oil Voyeur Roll-On Oil. But it is... I don't think this would have worked out for me. Like, why? Like, what the fuck? Like, if I didn't glue you? Like, if I didn't fucking glue you? Like, what the fuck? The MIDI... I didn't leave. And I can't... If you enjoyed it, if you...